how to create an account on Miro application. First of all, I will write Miro here. Okay, now I will choose Miro.com. I will click on it. Now I have to choose start a whiteboard. Okay. Now, instead of writing my name and email and creating a password, it's easier for me to sign in with my Google email or with my Gmail. So I will go down and choose sign up with Google. Also, I can choose sign up with Apple, and then it will ask me for my Apple ID. Okay? Or even I can choose Facebook. But for now, I'm going to choose sign up with Google. Okay, now I will choose I agree to Miro's terms of service and privacy policy. And then I will choose continue to sign up. Okay, all what I need is to click on my email. Now I have to answer 5 questions, as you see on the screen. And if I want to skip answering these questions, it's okay to start a new tab. I can just close this one and just start a new tab and write Miro, Google search, do the same Miro.com, and my account is ready. Hope it's easy. It's easy now to create an account on Miro application. Thank you for watching.